சென்னைக்கு மறுபடியும் வந்திருக்கீங்க. ப்ளீஸ் நீங்க ஏதாவது மனசுல சொல்லணும்னு நினைச்சீங்கன்னா முதல்ல பேசுங்க, அதுக்கப்புறம் நான் உங்களுக்கு கேள்விகள் கேட்கறேன். Would you like to say something to the audience?
இது ஆக்சுவலி எனக்கு ரொம்ப எமோஷனலான மூமெண்ட். Tangalan is a piece of my heart. I have never been this involved, never worked this hard, never been this invested in anything I have done before as much as I have in Tangalan. And I had the best team to go on this wonderful journey with. It was a one and a half year journey with the most incredible people, incredible artists, but more importantly, very kind and lovely human beings. Ranjit sir, thank you for Aarati. Thank you. I cannot talk about Aarati without getting overwhelmed, without getting emotional. So I won't talk much right now. I think you all should watch the film and, you know, see what I've done, see what we have done. But thank you for making me a part of your vision, for trusting me with this mad character, insane character that I've never seen any female artist play in India. You know, in Indian cinema, I've never seen a role like this. So thank you for giving me something that precious. Vikram sir, it's to say that it's been a pleasure, to say that it's been an honor, everything feels like an understatement. But you know how much I love you. I couldn't have done this without you. You're the sweetest, the most giving co-actor I have worked with. You taught me so many things. I feel like, I hope I have become a better actor, but if I have, you have such a strong part to play in that journey, and I will forever be grateful to you for that. The rest of the cast, we have gone through fire and hell together, literally. Danny, thank you for being amazing, thank you for being entertaining and whiny, but in the most entertaining way. Pasupati sir, it was, initially I was quite intimidated by you, but you're one of the best conversationalists I've met. You're one of the kindest people I have worked with, and thank you for all the help during the shoot. The rest of the cast, there are so many people. Tangalan is such a team effort that the thank you list is endless, but thank you to the rest of the cast. A special thank you to Ranjit sir's assistant directors, Damu, Anbe, Bala. You all are fantastic, sir. You have the best army behind you. Kishore sir, thank you for making us look like this. And what mad stuff. I can't wait to see it in the theater. Such a theatrical experience. G.V. Prakash, the songs are insane. And I can't wait to see your magic on screen. Jnanavel sir. Why are you sitting in that corner, sir? It's your event. Thank you Studio Green for everything. Tattoo department, Ella Ravle 4 hours, 4 or 5 hours we had to get ready. Big thank you to the entire team, and I told you the list is endless. To be continued, but for now.
Yeah, so both of you have spoken really emotional. I want to just make the moment lighter. So just one question to you, Malvika. அதாவது இந்த படத்துல நீங்க எவ்வளவு வந்து கஷ்டப்பட்டு நிறைய ஸ்கில்ஸ்லாம் கத்துக்கிட்டீங்க, ஃபைட் பண்றதுக்கு, சிலம்பம், மார்ஷியல் ஆர்ட்ஸ் எல்லாத்த பத்தியும் வந்து நாங்க பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கோம். ஸோ இன்னைக்கு இந்த தருணத்துல If you can fight against someone using all those skills,
Who's all?
using all those skills, if you can fight with someone today, whom will you choose?
Tangalan. I mean, it's fun sparring with him. He's the one who so much of who taught me to fight was, oh, also Sam Master, thank you. Fighting reminded me, sorry, thank you. Thank you for everything, for teaching me how to fight. But because he was my fighting partner, I would like to spar with him, not fight him in a bad way, but in a fun,